Hi, I'm Sam, a spray product engineer here at Spraying Systems Company. Today I'm going to talk about nozzle wear. Detecting nozzle wear is tougher than it sounds. While a nozzle and its spray pattern might look fine to the human eye, this may not give you the true picture when it comes to actual spray nozzle wear. As we can see here, we have two nozzles that look very similar. However, the spray tip on the left is new, while the one on the right is worn, and now sprays 30% over capacity. In addition, the uniformity of the spray pattern changes, with more spray in the center and less spray on the edges. The difference is totally undetectable by simply inspecting the nozzle, but spray collection data reveals the true story. In fact, by the time you can detect a problem with the spray pattern visually, the nozzle is likely spraying 50% or more over capacity. In full cone spray nozzles, the pattern distribution typically deteriorates as more liquid flows into the center of the pattern. In flat fan sprays, streaks and heavier flows will be visible in the center of the pattern, and the effective spray angle coverage will decrease. With nozzle wear, liquid flow will increase and spraying pressure will decrease. This results in larger drops and less total liquid surface area. Depending on the type of pump being used, nozzle wear can also result in nozzles operating at lower pressures. This is especially detrimental in cleaning applications. The easiest way to see if your nozzles are worn is to check flow rate. To do this, you'll need a stopwatch, a measuring cup, and a container. First, spray a new nozzle into the container for a measured amount of time. Then, measure out the amount of water into a measuring cup. Divide the amount of water by the collection time. This will give you the volume per minute of the new spray nozzle. Then, conduct this same test on nozzles that are currently in use. If you don't have a new nozzle, check the rated flow of the nozzle in the manufacturer's catalog. If the flow rate of the nozzle in use is greater than the new nozzle or manufacturer's rated capacity, you should consider replacing your nozzles. In some operations, using nozzles that are slightly worn may not affect product quality and may be acceptable for a short period of time. But keep in mind, when nozzles spray over capacity, water, chemical, and energy use increases and profits decrease. Your local spray specialist can help you determine if your nozzles are worn and establish a maintenance and replacement program, or arrange for specialized testing if necessary. Just call 895-SPRAY or visit spray.com for more information.